Good morning. It's June 13th. Today's my niece's birthday. It's her 11th birthday. And it's Monday. I am on my way to the beach right now because I need it. I literally need it. I am physically, mentally, and just overly overwhelmed. I'm just everything today. Yesterday I had a great but terrible day. It's very weird, but I'm trying to make the best out of it. Luckily I was able to get the day off, so I'm taking full advantage, and I'm going to the beach because I need to read. I need to finish chapter 16, and then I'll have one more chapter and I'll be done going through every chapter of the book, which is going to be such a huge accomplishment for me. And so I want to try and get that done today. I'm hoping that I can get just chapter 16 done, but we're going to try and aim for chapter 17 possibly too, but I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's that long either. So let's go to the beach. Good morning, by the way, and welcome to this week's vlog. Hi, it's like 1 something in the afternoon. I just left the beach about 30 minutes ago. After the beach, I stopped at Hobby Lobby and I picked up a couple of things that I want to work on. It involves the plant room, and it involves a project that I'd like to do. And I'll show you that a little bit later. Unfortunately, I'm not home alone, so I won't really be able to like be in my whole comfort zone. So maybe we could take it outside while I talk about what I want to do. The beach was beautiful, beautiful. Let me show you a clip. Absolutely perfect. It was very hot though. It was a little hotter than usually when I go, but I did go an hour later than when I usually go, so that's probably why as well. But I stayed until the afternoon and I got pretty freaking tanned, and it feels delicious and it looks amazing. So that was the whole goal anyways. But when I get home, I will check back in with you and let you know more details. I figured that I should show you now while I can. I mean, right now it's raining, so I can't even go outside to show you. But let me just show you what I got at Hobby Lobby at least. Okay, nothing crazy. First thing that I got was some elastic string bead yarn. What is this called? Elastic cord. So I can make bracelets, which I made this one not that long ago, which I'm obsessed with. And then I also bought some macrame cord and also the loops, so that way I can make some hanging pots. I was so torn between what size I should get, whether between 4mm or if I should get the 6mm one, but I ended up going with the 6mm because of the thickness of it. Let me show. I'm gonna show you when I start doing the project. I'm gonna try and film it the best I can. All right, so here we go. Yeah, oh, this is a perfect size. Yeah, this is good. I wanted to open it in the store, but I was like, if I don't buy it, it's kind of rude. So that's the project for today, and then also to finish chapter 16. Okay, and I need to turn off the car because I'm not gonna act like gas isn't almost $5 a barrel. A gallon. $5 a gallon. Gas right now is like $4.86 here in Florida, which is very disturbing. Here's another check-in. It's around 5 something in the afternoon. I just finished chapter 16. Yay me. I've got one more chapter to go. I've already started chapter 17 and we're learning about drug screening, toxicology, forensic testing, and a bunch of other type of drug testing. So super exciting. Earlier I collected some rainwater before I did some studying because it was raining. Then I tried taking a nap and that didn't work, so I pumped up myself with some caffeine and I came out here and I finished chapter 16. So I'm happy, super happy. Did I start chapter 16 today? No, I didn't. I started chapter 16, I think it was like Saturday or something. But it's been a really nice day off. I got in my feelings just a little bit, but like I kind of like turned it around real quick and was like, no, not right now. Like we need to go drink some caffeine. So that really helped. So I'm happy and I'm excited to finish chapter 17. I'm just really anxious for like the end part, you know, like the part where I have to go in and actually do the work. And I feel like they're going to be asking me questions based off of what I've learned from the program. And it's like, I'm only reading this stuff so that way I can pass these exams and be able to come here and really learn the job. And I hope that's what it is, because that's what's making me feel very anxious about going forth with the externship. But other than that, it's got to be done, and it will be done. It's going to be done. So I am hoping to finish chapter 17 by the end of today. That is my goal, but I'm not 100% sure. I didn't start the macrame project yet. I also didn't paint the other pot that I had planned to paint today, but the day is not over yet. I also need to repot one of my plants, the burl mark, also known as the heart-shaped plant. At first I thought it was the horseshoe one, but it's not. The girl who sold it to me didn't know nothing about this plant. I don't even know what I was doing trusting her. But either way, I need to put him in his new home. I painted a pot so cute yesterday for him. I painted two actually. So I think I'm gonna scrape down the other one because I painted a bunch of horseshoes on it. But maybe I'll just keep it because horseshoes are lucky and I'll just put like a really cute plant in it. I don't know yet. So yeah, I need to also repot that. And I also was supposed to film another video today to post on Instagram, but I didn't get around to that because I was just so frustrated with, you know, what I had to get done. But other than that, I still finished chapter 17 and I'm happy. Thinking about the garden, I chopped my garden down as far as the tomato bush, and I really gave it a great chop and it felt really good to do so. And so now I'm just waiting for it to grow back. I think I'm gonna water it with some Epsom salt and hope for the best. See if it will produce some tomatoes for me still. It should still give me tomatoes all the way to the end of summer. I think so, that's how they work. So yeah, that's that. Teeth, looking good, feeling good. They don't hurt today. They were hurting over the weekend, but today feels a lot better. But it's weird, like I like to smile now, which before I wasn't all about that. Well, like with my braces on, like I would always be like but now I'm like, you know, I pay for these babies, well, not me, and I gotta put used to them. They're looking good though. They're looking good. They're moving really fast, that's for sure. It's only been 3 months. March 16 I think I got them on. No, I'm not. No, March, yeah, March something, March 6th, I don't know, something like that. And we're almost there. Not really though, not really. All right, so now that I finished chapter 16, moving on to chapter 17, I got a couple more pages and then I'll be done. So I think I deserve a break to go work on a project. Good morning. It's June 14th. It's Tuesday, out here looking at the garden, observing what's happening over here. A lot of mosquitoes, that's for sure. Cool thing is that my jalapeno plant is finally getting some new flowering. My tomato bush still has no new growth, so we'll be keeping a lookout on that. My pepper, my green pepper plant right here has some new peppers in it all of a sudden. I'm not sure how that happened. Cucumbers are looking good. Okra is getting huge. Look at this, look at this. Look at how tall it's getting. It's huge. And also my other green pepper plant is way bigger than my one in the box. Can you tell the difference between those two? That's a big difference. I think it's because it has more room in its pot than this has in this box. So that's what I think is stunting the growth when it comes to the tomato bush as well. So yeah. So with that being said, I think it's better to plant with the right type of plants in the same type of box. I don't know if pepper plants affect the way a tomato bush grows, but you know, looks like it could be that as well. Or maybe there's just not enough dirt in that box. I'm not sure. But my rose bush, look at this bad boy. There is flowers still blooming from this bush. It's very, very exciting. I love it. So yeah, other than that, I'm going to work early today. It's around like 7:30 in the morning. And I gotta go. I gotta go. I didn't finish chapter 17 last night. And I also didn't do the macrame project yesterday. So I still gotta do that. But I did repot one of my plants, which I'll be posting on my Instagram later, probably this week, so I can have some content. But anyways, I hope that you have a great morning, and I will check in with you later. Good morning. Today is June 15th. It is Wednesday. Happy hump day. I'm kind of tired. I had a long night last night, but you know what? Something I'm super happy about, something I'm super proud about. I finished all 17 chapters. I did it. I finally finished yesterday while I was at work. I completed 17 chapters and I just felt so good. I felt so good, like we did this. We accomplished this moment in time in our life when we thought at one point we were gonna die over it, and we survived. So I'm really happy about that. Good morning to you, and I hope that you have a fantastic day ahead of you, and that you enjoy it, okay? Because again, you just never know. You just never know. I right now am heading to work early. I'm just a little like, ooh, but I have coffee, so I'm gonna hope and pray that that actually saves me a little bit, because I woke up in the middle of the night, and then I woke up early this morning because of Dave, and it's just like, can I catch a break? It's so weird. I just have like these really weird thoughts in the middle of the night. Like everything wants to spew in. Everything wants to come around in the middle of the night. And I'm just like, clear your mind, Christine. Go to bed. I gotta tell myself that like 10 times to clear my mind and to go to bed, so that way I can go to bed. I saying the actual words out loud really helped me. So I got a couple of hours in, but I have a long day ahead of me. Very long day. So yeah. All right, I will check in with you hopefully later, but if I don't, have a good one. Good morning, June 16th. It is Thursday. One more day till Friday. We've got dogs on both sides today, so I had to pick up some of my plants and make sure that they weren't going to get eaten, attacked, or, you know, bumped into. But I'm really annoyed because my adenosine has been doing so well, and all of a sudden, one of my leaves got rot. Look at this mess. Look at that. What happened there? Maybe too much water. Maybe I gave it too much water this week. But then you would think that the bottom leaves were gonna, like, you know, get messed up, but yeah, no. But my syngonium has a new leaf. I'm so excited. I'm absolutely obsessed with this plant and its variegations. Like, it's so pretty. So excited. And a lot of my plants are getting new leaves already, so it's nice. My rubber plant It's not doing so good. Still no buds, which sucks. I don't know why not. By now I thought it would. But nothing. Sucks. Anyways, so I'm off to work early today again. I hate this schedule so much. It's too early for me to be waking up at this time. Yeah, other than that, nothing much for right now. I did try to help my Birkin push out a new leaf and I broke it. Yeah, all right, bye.